Hi guys, today we are gonna see how to troubleshoot our Windows Update error. Yeah, for this, first step is to enter into your settings. Following settings, you just enter into systems. Scroll down, you may see the troubleshoot. Yeah, and once again enter into other troubleshoot. Yeah, you'd see like a Windows Update. Just run the Windows Update troubleshoot. Now it started detecting the problem and it may take some time. Just had a passion to wait on it. I'm speeding up the process. It automatically detects all the problems. Now it's detecting the problem and it was checking for additional problem. Yeah, now the troubleshoot has done and it seems to be a problem on Windows Update, and must do is just click as to fix it. Yeah, now the problem as detected and fixed. You just enter the close the troubleshoot option, and the second step what we are going to do is enter into the privacy and security. In that, following Windows security and virus and threat protection. And again the virus and threat protection manage settings. Yeah, you may see the real-time protection is on. Just enable the real-time protection if you are not, and close it. And the third step is to just enter into services. That services what we are going to do is just uh, restarting with automatic, like Windows Update and intellectual properties, background intellectual properties. First we are going to Windows Update. Just scroll down and you may get the Windows Update. Just click W to go into W column and you may see, yeah, Windows Update. Double tap it, enter into the properties and enable the automatic mode. The service status should be in running. Click apply and click OK. The same need to be done for background intellectual services. Same like automatic, the service status should be on running, so just start it. Once it's done, click apply and OK. Now just restart your system. Once the system restarts, just check into the Windows Update and make sure your network connectivity is good. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.